We'll soon get tired of typing instructions directly on the Python command prompt, if nothing else because each time we want to repeat an instruction, we've got to type it again. So one step up, what we want to do is we want to group one or indeed several instructions inside the file so that we can run them as a block and we can run them again as many times as we want. So let me show you an example of that. Now the first example, tradition has it, must be the hello world program that I've written in this hello.py file, and that prints the words hello world. Doing anything different would be very bad etiquette. So let's start from this one, and the way we run this program using the Python interpreter directly for the sake of demonstration is as follows. We once again open the terminal, and now because of the way my system is configured, you see this hello py program is actually in the directory first steps for me, so I have to do an intermediate step that probably is not required on your system, and that is I have to change to the directory first steps. And now if I list the content of my directory, I see that contains the file hello.py, and therefore all that I need to do is type python hello.py, and here we have hello world. Success. So now if you want, you can modify that file a little bit. For instance, we can add another line that brings something else. That wasn't too hard, was it? And we need to remember to save this file. Now we go back to our terminal and again type python hello.py, and you see we have added a new behavior to the program. Now obviously if we want to run the program again, all that we have to do is type python hello.py again, and we don't need to type the two instructions. Clearly, if this were a program containing thousands of instructions, you can see how this feature is very convenient.